Hi, this is Dr. Cheng. I'm the founder of Care and Counseling Coaching Center. And today I have the honor to invite one of my clients. And then she already worked with me for some time. And she is doing much better right now to better manage her emotion, her relationship. So I will invite her to share a little bit about her progress and what are some of the benefits of counseling. So please share with our audience. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Carlita, and I started with Dr. Chen almost a year ago. And I went from, not knowing what my purpose is, not knowing my place and feeling hopeless in my relationship, to now feeling like I'm more than just a mom, a friend, I'm my own person, and that there is hope, and that two people who love each other and lost their way can find their way back to each other. Um,
Mm,
Not only that, but I'm becoming a better mom for my kids,
mm,
and overall just incredible for the past year.
mm. Wow, that's wonderful. Thank you. And also, what are some of the unique methodology or my gift or present that help you to reach your goal more effectively? Can you please also share?
Yes. So, believe it or not, listening to relaxation music or just taking a step back and visualizing things, and you feel
Mm,
silly talking to yourself, but it really does help to visualize what you need to do in these moments, and to basically just take a step back and think is very
mm,
important. You've taught me
mm.
that.
Hmm. And do you also find a lot of proven method and methodology and a model that I also show it to you? Do you find it helpful to
Yeah.
help you to better manage your emotion, your interaction with other almost daily, so you don't need to always wait till you come to the section, right?
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I always look
Mm-hmm.
back at the PowerPoints and the
Mm-hmm.
charts and everything, and they are very helpful. Yes.
Okay. And also, how does the counseling service also help your partner and your children too, as a family?
Oh, yes. I mean, me having a better mental health is better for my kids, obviously,
Mm-hmm.
but it does. It helps you understand not only your partner, but it helps you understand your kids as well.
Mm-hmm.
And, you always think, oh, they're just being disobedient, or you understand everybody has their own personality. And yes, overall, just understanding them
Mm,
better.
okay. And how about spiritually? Does this process also help you, to kind of discern God's purpose and calling in your life?
Yes, it makes you feel like you have a purpose. Not only that, but there is somebody that you are worthy of deserving love from, and a higher
Mm-hmm.
power that does love you. And you just feel it.
Mm-hmm.
When you feel better, when you feel clear
Mm-hmm.
of mind, you feel able to receive the
Mm-hmm.
message God is trying to give you.
Okay. Thank you. And also, do you like our class?
Yes,
Sometimes we also have master class, the community. Do you
yes,
feel supported and do you also
I
learn a
do.
lot from the class?
Yes. Yes, I think one
Mm-hmm.
thing that's very important is realizing that we're not alone in this life, and that
Mm-hmm.
we have people with similar experiences going
Mm-hmm.
through the same thing, trying to get the same help.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's
Mm-hmm.
also
Mm-hmm.
what Masterclass does.
Okay, thank you. And last question is, if some of the people who just listen to us and watch our video, if they struggle in their relationship or emotion or life purpose or career, would you recommend them to contact me or contact other therapy
Yes,
to engage
1000%.
more in the counseling or coaching business? You like?
Yes, 1000%. Regardless of what the goal is, at least try and go to therapy to find the path that you are meant to go
Mm-hmm.
on. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for your wonderful insight and sharing. And if you listen to this video, you got struggle and in your emotion or feel stressful in your career or purpose or direction, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay. So thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Okay.
Hey,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Have a great day.